Hello, Sarah here, and I am at the Great Otway National Park today, and my mate and I are about to do the Ironbark Gorge Walk, which is 4.5 kilometres long. So if you were to come on a nature walk with us here in the Great Otways, this is what you can expect. So let's take a look.
Probably been walking for about 20 minutes now, and the trail has been relatively easy so far. Not very many rocks to climb over, pretty flat and not very steep. The track has changed quite a bit now. We're currently walking on a whole bunch of rocks, as you can see behind me. And there's quite a steep sort of drop right next to the path, so if you do come, be careful walking along this path. Walking for just over an hour, and behind me you will notice that a tree has fallen over the path. So this is just an example of something that we also need to be aware of when we are walking in the national parks. About an hour and a half, and we're just coming back to the car park now. So it's been a lovely day, but I am starving, so we're going to get some lunch now. Hooroo!